1, 2, 3. All right. Got it.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm 4 years old.
Oh my gosh, we are super excited. This is one of our favorite days because we get to see our babies that we've missed all summer. We get to hear about their wonderful stories about everything they did this summer, and we are just looking forward to a great school year. We are already, everything's just rocking and rolling over here.
No, about it. Oh, that's not the shirt that they can wear on Friday. This one? You're welcome. Fall registration.
I just want to say welcome back. We're excited to have a great year.
Now, what grade are you?
I'm going to 5th.
All right, what are you looking forward to the most?
Math.
Math. I like that. I like it. Y'all excited?
We are ready for them to get ready to go to school.
Thank you guys. I wish
Oh, great.
1, 2, 3.